Hello everyone, and in this video, I will show you how the Photos app can identify duplicate photos to help you clean up your library. Here's how. In Photos, tap Albums, then scroll down and tap Duplicates. Photos will notify you if there are no duplicates or if it needs more time to analyze your library. Tap Select. Tap the pictures you want to merge or tap Select All. Tap Merge. You can choose to merge only photos that are exactly the same, or all photos that look the same, but may have different resolutions, file formats, or other slight differences. Tap Merge Items to confirm. Photos will merge duplicates into one photo with the highest quality, while combining relevant data like captions, keywords, and favorites. Duplicates that are removed go to the recently deleted folder. And that's how you can remove duplicates from photos. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye.